Are you looking for a delicious 30-minute pasta recipe? Well, today I am going to show you guys how to make this amazing chicken fajita pasta recipe. Before I begin, please like this video if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. To begin, we're going to start by boiling our pasta. So I have my water here. I am going to season the pasta water. Yes, I like doing that. So I have some chicken bouillon, about a tablespoon. Also, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. And basically, we're going to cover this, allow it to come to a boil so we can add our pasta in there. All right, guys, my water's boiling. I am going to add in the pasta. So once you pour your pasta in, just give it a little mix, just like this. And then we're going to cover it. Allow this to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. And then it should be ready. All right, guys, we have 2 chicken breasts here that I'm going to cut. I have my seasoning here to season it. This is Creole seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. The rest of the seasoning, we'll add that later. But I'm going to slice the chicken breast right in the middle like this. I'm going to cut it again. You can either cook it as is, then slice it, but I am going to just slice it into, you know, little pieces like this. And once you're done, you are going to season this. I'm going to drizzle some oil, rub that in just like this. And then we are going to add the seasoning and generously sprinkle your seasoning just like that. Perfect. Once you're done, you are going to cook this, okay? Perfect. My pasta is nice and al dente, as you can see. I am going to drain out the water and set it aside. I don't want it to continue to cook, so we don't overcook it. So let's set that aside. Time to cook the chicken. We're going to drizzle some olive oil to our pan here. It's on medium-high heat, by the way. Then I am going to add in my chicken. I'm going to cook that until they're nice and golden brown. When I tell you this recipe is extremely easy, you can make this happen in less than 30 minutes. Time to flip the chicken over. It's been about 2 minutes. As you guys can see, they are looking beautiful. We have that nice golden brown color. This pan is actually non-stick, so you can see it really gives this chicken a beautiful color that we all can appreciate. So I'm going to flip it over for another 1.5 minutes until the other side is nice and golden brown. Then we can remove and set aside. All right, guys, the chicken is smelling amazing. It is ready to take out. So we're going to take it out. It smells so good. Look at that. Delicious. We are going to be using the same skillet. I am going to add in some bell peppers. I have 3 colors here, red, orange, and yellow. We also going to be adding in some onion. We're going to cook that until they're nice and tender. So I've been sauteing my peppers for about 2 minutes now. I have some fajita seasoning here. I will have a recipe down below for you if you want to make this from scratch, but we're going to add this in there. This is the easiest way to make this. So I'm going to add that right in there. Mix it up together, and also we are going to be adding in some chicken broth. Give it a stir just like this. Don't forget this has cornstarch, and also I have some heavy whipping cream we're going to add in. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to add a little bit more chicken broth too. Now we're going to add the rest of the chicken broth, pour that in, and we're going to give it a stir. Also, we have a little bit of salt, paprika, and chili powder for color, and the chili powder, of course, for flavor. I'm going to add that in just like this. Give it a mix. And now is the perfect time for me to add my pasta. We're going to add in our pasta. Add that in just like this. Can't forget the chicken. We have to add that in as well. The chicken will add tons and tons of flavor to our pasta. So pour that in. Give that a mix just like so. And it smells so good right now. The flavor on the chicken is going to release and make the sauce nice and tasty. And also I'm going to add in some parsley on top. And there you have it. If you want, you can add some cheese to this, but I think we're leaving it as is. It looks beautiful. It smells really, really good. And I know it's going to taste as good as it looks. Perfect. All right, guys, the pasta is ready. And let me tell you, my mouth is watering because it smells so good. It's just screaming my name right now. Let me give it a try and let you know how I like it. Let's give it a try. Oh my God. This recipe is definitely a winner in my book. I hope you guys try it really, really soon. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new here. I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.